Earrings. Yep. Yeah.
Remove them.
Okay. I'm gonna bring in the piece that you were talking about. Be right back.
Okay. She like that? Oh, that's
Gorgeous, gorgeous, right?
yes.
Didn't come out beautiful?
No,
Yeah.
nothing. No earrings.
What no
You
earrings?
definitely need earrings.
I think you need one.
Yeah, you definitely need some earrings.
Uh-huh.
And
What do you think I know about the veil?
Too dark.
dogs.
Too dark?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I like the one with a little bit of
Okay.
like,
Yeah.
yeah, I saw it and
Eleanor.
Hi.
Yes.
Some earrings there for you.
Yes.
Okay. She already picked them out. Good. It can
Does she
always
need a
be
necklace?
clear.
What do you suggest?
Well, let's try the earring and see
Okay.
how it looks. And this too has a touch of pearl in it that has, you know. I'll let you see it.
Okay. Something like that.
What do you think, Eleanor? Beautiful.
Yeah.
No, the earring.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the earrings are very pretty. Then I have one that's a little smaller too.
I think a smaller is okay.
Just a little bit smaller crystal.
Uh-huh.
But you
A
like
smaller
longer, don't you?
version.
Just longer.
Try the smaller.
Yeah, try
Yeah.
them. Try
It's
that
about
at
the
the
same
same
thing,
time
just
and
the
then you
crystal's a
compare.
little smaller.
Yeah, then compare both sticks.
I like the longer one.
You see?
See?
You see?
You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Hello. How are you?